likewise, we are going to see the establishment of configuration of fructose. That is the orientation of groups. In the glucose, we had C double bond O group at the top, first position. But in the fructose, the main difference between glucose and fructose is you have got a keto group in second carbon atom. There it was 1, now it is 2. There it was 1,5 linkage and now it is 2,6 linkage. So I'll just share you the screen and we shall see. Here it is. Okay, I think you'll see the configuration of fructose. So this is the formula for fructose I told you. Here, if you can see that this is missing, right? In chemistry, if we write like this, it means a CH2 group. So here, this is actually CH2, C double bond O, CHOH one time. Why CHOH is written like this is means this OH is on the left side, H is on the right side. So here you have two CH2OH and then one more CH2 here. So that is the fructose. And the functional group is here. This is first carbon atom, this is second carbon atom. Compared to this, glucose is written like this, C double bond O, H, and you'll have CHOH 4 times, then CH2 1. So here, this will be the first carbon atom, here this will be second carbon. Okay. Now the main difference, important difference, is this one. When you treat it with nitric acid, this is an oxidation, you see formation of glycolic acid and formation of tartaric acid. This is 2 carbon atoms, this is 4 carbon atoms. So 2 plus 4 equal to 6. 6 equal to 2 plus 4. That is the. Now this has led to the fact that the carbon atom breakage at this particular point. This is the point where it is broken. Where it is broken. This part is broken and given into this part. And the later part with containing the 4 carbon atoms is given to the tartaric acid. So how does this thing occur? This thing occurs by means of a reaction. I'm going to write that reaction here. CH2OH, C1, CHOH. How many times? CH2OH. 1, 2, 3. This is 3 times. Okay. So I'm numbering them. 1, 2, 3 means 3, 4, 5. Next carbon. Right. Now this is I am just treating with the hydrogen cyanide. So what I get is CH2OH, CN, OH, CHOH 3 times, and then CH2OH. This is known as cyanohydrine. This is fructose. Okay. So this further hydrolysis gives you CH2OH, CHOH 3 times and then CH2OH. So you can see that this CN is oxidized, I mean that is hydrolyzed to COOH. Okay, so here this group and these groups, two hydroxyl groups are on the same side. Have you studied in second year the vicinal dihalides? Vicinal dihalides, which says that if you have two hydrogen atoms on the same carbon atom, this tends to be more reactive. Either water is removed or some other product is obtained. So we just reduce it and we get CH3, CH, COOH, CH2 3 times, and CH3. It is carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. The point is, here you get a methyl hexanoic acid. Methyl hexanoic acid. இதுல இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் பாயிண்ட் என்ன சொன்னேன்? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் பாயிண்ட் வந்து இது. Please mind them mute. Okay. First point is you get glycolic acid and tartaric acid. Second important point is methyl hexanoic acid is obtained when you treat. யாரதோ மைக் மியூட் பண்ணுங்கப்பா. Okay. So methyl hexanoic acid, this suggests that you have got a keto group second position. யாரதோ மைக் மியூட் பண்ணுங்கப்பா, சவுண்ட் நிறைய வருது. சவுண்ட் நிறைய வருது. சவுண்ட் நிறைய வருதுப்பா. யார் அது? Okay. So methyl hexanoic acid, this suggests that there is a keto group to the second. இது ரொம்ப முக்கியமான பாயிண்ட் பா. இது இன்னைக்கு செஷன்ல மறக்கவே கூடாது. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் திங் இஸ் கார்போஹைட்ரேட்ல குளுக்கோஸ்க்கு வந்து C+1 ஃபர்ஸ்ட் குரூப்ல, ஃப்ரக்டோஸ்க்கு வந்து C+1 செகண்ட் குரூப்ல. It is we have already established the number of carbon atoms, the number of hydroxyl groups and the number of keto groups already we have established. Okay, but I am going to repeat again the same. There are 6 carbon atoms and then 5 OH groups, 1 C+1 group. This 1 C+1 group is what is I am going to mention here, right? Since it has got the 3 asymmetric carbon atoms in the structure, this the above structure which I have written, CH2OH, C+1O, CHOH 3 times and then CH2OH. இதில் asymmetric carbon atom எது? இந்த 3 carbon atom தான் asymmetric. இது வந்து கார்பனுக்கு வந்து ரெண்டு ஐ மீன் 4 டிஃப்ரெண்ட் குரூப்ஸ் கிடையாது. இதுல வந்து 2 H இருக்கு, சேம் H, இதுவும் H இதுவும் H. இதுல இந்த 2 H வந்து இப்படி வரும், ரைட்? ஸோ சிமெட்ரிக்கா வரும். இது சிமெட்ரிக், இதோ சிமெட்ரிக், இதோ சிமெட்ரிக். இது மூணு மட்டும் தான், இந்த மூணு மட்டும் தான் அசிமெட்ரிக். அதுதான் இங்க மென்ஷன் பண்றோம். Since we have got 3 asymmetric carbon atoms, it may exist in 8 optical isomers. எப்படி 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 8. So the exact configuration of the fructose is established by that it forms same osazone as glucose, indicating that by the configuration C236 atoms of fructose is same as that of the glucose. 3 to 6 same. அப்படின்னா என்ன proof? Osazone. Osazone என்ன? I think you remember osazone. You took the C6H5 NH okay, so it was reacted with C double bond O group, and you remove this water, right? Keto group on order enna form ஆகும்? C double bond N NH C6H5 form ஆயிடுச்சு. இது வந்து fructose ஓட lower part. இங்க வந்து CH2OH இருக்கும். இங்க ரெண்டு இங்க வராது, இது வராது, ரைட்? ஃப்ரக்டோஸ் ஓசோசோன். சோ மூணாவது முக்கியமான பாயிண்ட் என்ன? மூணாவது முக்கியமான பாயிண்ட் வந்து ஓசோசோன் இஸ் ஃபார்ம்ட் சேம் as glucose. It suggests that carbon atom 1 2 3 4 5 3 4 5 are similar to glucose. Okay, அதுதான் இந்த காம்பவுண்ட் 3 4 5. மூணாவது important point by the மூணாவது third important point is 3 4 5 forms is having the same thing. Okay, now fructose on treatment with hydrogen cyanide, fructose on treatment with hydrogen cyanide gives cyanohydrin. இங்க பார்த்தோம் நம்ம. And hydrolysis followed by hydrolysis gives hydric acid and red phosphorus, N-butyl methyl acetic acid. This formation of this compound again indicates that the ketonic group is present. Glucose ka aldehyde group, fructose ka ketonic group is there. This is the main difference. இது வந்து இது உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சது. Okay, the straight chain structures may be written like this. Okay, so I am just putting the missing things here. Here you will have CH2OH, HCN H2O. So you get a N-butyl methyl acid. This suggests the presence of C double bond O. Okay, now we move on to the third slide, which suggests that fructose exhibits muta-rotation and forms 2 methyl fructoside, that is alpha and beta form. That is, we have seen the muta-rotation in our third class, how muta-rotation is there. I told you to remember the hemiacetal group. Hemiacetal groups is if you have a OR, OH, H and R group attached to this, this is called as the hemiacetal. If you have hemiacetal groups, you can get 2 isomers. Hemiacetal in the 2 isomer வரலாம். எப்படி? ஆல்பா ஐசோமர் ஒன்று, பீட்டா ஐசோமர் ஒன்று. ஓகே, இது வந்து நம்ம குளுக்கோஸ்க்கு பார்த்துருக்கோம். And in glucose it was easier because we had C double bond O at the top and anything can be substituted there, and we had, for example, we had OCS3 in the place of C double bond O. This OCS3 we wrote one form alpha like this, beta form we wrote like this. OCS3 left நினைச்சுனா beta, OCS3 right நினைச்சுனா alpha அப்படின்னு நாங்க பார்த்தோம். Same thing is there with the fructose also. It has got the 2 forms. One is alpha form and another one is alpha. The commercial and nature free fructose is most probably beta isomer with a pyranose ring. Remember, pyran is a 5-membered ring with oxygen at the center compared with furan, which is a 6-membered ring with oxygen at the center. Okay, so furanose forms means it has got 5-membered ring. The 5-membered ring inga varda 1 2 3 4 5 oxygen mela potru 5-membered ring. This is pyran. But the fructose found in sucrose is present in pyranose ring, which hydrolyzes and converted into more stable pyranose form. So pyranose form da appadi irukku apdi solliruchu. Lastly, since fructose is lever retreat, it has got deconfiguration. இது வந்து fructose is levorotatory அப்படின்றது experimental evidence. So all those things are also experimental, but that are lab reactions. This one is you use polarimeter to measure whether it is levorotatory or dextrorotatory. Levorotatory இருக்கும்போது deconfiguration வரலாம். Deconfiguration இருக்கும்போது dextrorotatory கூட வரலாம். அதுதான் வந்து டி ஆல்பா கூட வரலாம், டி பீட்டா கூட வரலாம். எல் ஆல்பா வரலாம், எல் பீட்டா வரலாம். டி வரும்போது எல் வரும்போது ரிலேட்டிவ் கான்ஃபிகரேஷன், ஆல்பா வரும்போது பீட்டா வரும்போது this is a optical property, that is the polarizing power of that. Okay, so if you have a D fructose in which you have CH2OH at top, in the structure marakudadu, CH2OH at the top, both CH2OH at the top. This is the alpha isomer. The second isomer which you can write is, you can write the pyranose ring like this. Okay, so here you can write CH2OH at the top and CH2OH at the bottom. பாத்தீங்களா, இங்க CH2OH டாப்ல இருக்கு, இங்க வந்து பாட்டம்ல இருக்கு. அப்ப இங்க உங்களுக்கு H வரும், இங்க ஒரு H வரும். So as usual, here you will have one H and here you will have one OH. Here you will have one OH and here you will have H. So yeah, so that is how you establish the configuration of the fructose. Okay. Okay, so you'll have the CH2OH, one form, and the other form is CH2OH, CH2OH. Okay, numbering: first carbon atom, second carbon atom, third carbon atom, fourth carbon atom, fifth carbon atom, sixth carbon atom. Right? Numbering: first carbon atom, second carbon atom, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Okay, so last class in the glucose we saw 1,5 linkage. First carbon atom ko C double bond போட்டு CHOH 4 times 3 times போட்டு CHOH ஒன்று போட்டு CH2OH போட்டோம். இல்லையா, இது வந்து 5th கார்பன் ஆட்டம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட், செகண்ட், தேர்ட், ஃபோர்த்து, ஏன்னா இந்த மூணுமே இங்க வந்துட்டு இல்லையா, 5th. இதுக்கும் வந்து நாங்க வந்து ஆக்சிஜன்ல லிங்க் பண்ணோம். அதே மாதிரி தான் இங்கே கூட oxygen linkage is by means of the second carbon atom போயிட்டு 5th carbon atom 1,5 பதிலா 2,5 linkage ஆகும். Okay, I'll just put it and then we can end up our sessions. CH2OH, C double bond O, CHOH thrice, then CH2OH. Number of carbon atoms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ஏன்னா இந்த 3 இருக்கு இல்லையா, 3, 4, 5, then 6. Okay, then what happens is this we just write it like CH2OH ஒன்று மேலே போயிடுது, இந்த C double bond O இருக்கு இல்லையா, it links by means of an oxygen and it goes to the sixth carbon atom. So here you will have CHOH, one more CHOH, and then CH2. So linkage pathina 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the linkage is second carbon atom and fifth carbon atom. The linkage is second and fifth carbon atom linkage. So the main difference is between 1,5 and 2,5 linkage. Therefore, we establish the configuration of glucose by
எனக்கு doubt sir.
pyranol 2,5. Clear? Okay. So I'll stop the session here. We shall stop the session here. Return to the meeting. And if you have any doubts, please ask me now. I'll stop the recording.